I would like to begin with a short background about our group, Dynamic Teen Company. It's actually a group of concerned young people in the Philippines, and with the mission of making a small yet significant difference in every life that we cross paths with, particularly in small children who are in the slum areas, who have no access to education. And we also have we give not just basic education, but we also give them basic hygiene. And sometimes, especially these children who can't have that love even from their own families. And together with my two other classmates and KB, we founded Dynamic Teen Company when we were 16 years old. That was 1997. And the initial group made up of like 20 members only. And then we started as a friendship club. It's like a small gathering of young people who really want to make our school good and all the students in there. So we aim to divert the attention of our classmates and the rest of the students in the school from being violent and joining violent gangs and notorious fraternities that were thriving on that campus. So our major platform was to cater youth awareness projects, talents, self-development skills, very simple, and of course community service. And our group holds actually different activities and to address these issues. And in 2007, we launched a campaign. We call it "We Are the Change," and this is a youth campaign who would like to encourage more youth to become productive instead of being part of gang members and being part of gangs. So we started this youth campaign. And the campaign was meant to inspire teenagers to be the catalyst for change. Change in what they want to see in their community, in their home, and even to the world that we live in. So we believe that the real change happens when we begin to touch one soul at a time and one heart at a time. So Dynamic Teen Company, as an organization, we were able to educate more than 1,800 slum children, and it keeps growing, through our mobile pushcarts. We bring education to areas in our small town in like south of Manila. And with these pushcarts, we were able to go around the city, giving them basic education, helping them to at least know how to read, how to write, basic counting, and teaching them hygiene, especially, of course, teaching them good character and youth moral, and giving them meals. And I tell you, meals, food is the main attraction of the pushcart classroom. And we feed like almost 1,000 every week. And tomorrow is our pushcart day. It's Saturday. So the volunteers right now are really working hard, preparing all the food. Dynamic Teen Companies is really aimed to leading the youth towards the right direction, training them to become good, productive, and responsible citizens, and empowering them to become a person responsible person and citizens of the world, not just of our country. So our objective mainly is to introduce to the teens the concept of youth importance, self-understanding, and teen moral values. So we have actually a series of activities, and we have annual and weekly. The one that we push every week,